Part 6 after flood. Question 1. How many days flood water remain for ground? A. 100 days. B. 150 days. C. 200 days. D. 120 days. B. 150 days na flood water remain for ground. Who be the people wey survive flood? A. Only Noah and him wife. B. Noah, him family and all wey dey inside the ark. C. Animals wey climb mountain. D. People wey dey far land. B. Noah, him family and all wey dey inside the ark na him survive the flood. Wetin be the main work of the ark? A. To store food. B. To keep life safe during flood. C. To travel for sea. D. To worship God. B. To keep life safe during flood.